Hello everybody, we're here at the Quail Monterey Car Week 2022 and it's my absolute pleasure to be able to present the most radical GT3 RS we ever did, and in a special livery in pure white over Python green, like the RS 2.7. 50 years ago it has a birthday, so this is a birthday present for the old car. It looks so innocent, it's yet so radical and so beast looking. This is exactly how I would spec my GT3 RS.
And Andy, we love the spec, we love the car. We would like to take this as an inspiration, that plus the 50-year-old Carrera RS, to create something very special from enthusiasts, for enthusiasts, only in the North American market.
The 2023 Porsche 911 GT3 RS is the most extreme street-legal 911 model yet. Its 4.0-liter naturally aspirated boxer 6-cylinder engine generates 518 horsepower and revs up to 9,000 RPM. Appropriately for Monterey Car Week, the model on display is extensively personalized. Finished in white with key areas in Python green, the car is a direct reference to the iconic white and green color configuration offered in 1972 on the first 911 RS model, as well as a new interpretation of it. In this instance, the body is finished in non-metallic white, including side air intakes painted to match with model designation graphics on the sides and rear in Python green, forged aluminum wheels in Python green with white pinstripes. Exclusive design taillights emphasize the green-on-white theme by eliminating the red color from the rear taillights and third brake light. Finally, the side plates on the left and right ends of the large rear wing are painted white with RS logos in Python green. Porsche exclusive manufacture allows customers to personalize their car to a point where the vehicle is as much a reflection of them as it is of Porsche, said Karl-Heinz Volz, director of exclusive manufacture options. Personalization is a Porsche tradition dating back to our first production model, the 356. When a customer requested a wiper be added to the rear window of their car. Today, it is an incredibly extensive personalization program, offering options ranging from small changes to true one-off creations. The headlights also feature a pinstripe ring in white, something that is not available via the normal list of factory available options. The color combination continues inside the car with matching stitching, trim panels in white to match the exterior.